Day 8. Really hard to believe. As they say, and now for something completely different. I'm in Franklin Canyon Park, and this is true guerrilla filmmaking now. My shoe is my tripod. Now, frankly, I'm running out of ideas. And I'm running out of wigs, believe it or not. So I thought on a Saturday or Sunday, normally I would come here and I would walk up the steep side. The fastest I've ever done is 10 minutes. And then I would run down the easier side and then walk around the park a little bit more. It's great exercise. So on day 8, we're going to see what my endurance level is. Now I did, about 3 hours ago I had the laxative tea. I should be in a safe zone, but thus the toilet paper. They do have facilities here, but in a park you're just never sure if they're stocked. Normally, I'd say year-round this place is practically empty, but of course it's the first week in January and everyone's wanting to get fit, which I fully support, and I hope to continue through the whole year. I'd hoped to be able to run the camera all the way up the hill, but I don't want to take people without their consent. So, I guess I'll check in when I get back. I do have my phone with me just in case I need to capture anything. Holy I did it. Yeah, made it the whole way. Last little bit, a little bit of a struggle. But, yeah, well, warning. Based on your prior fitness results, results of this fitness may widely vary. Because I considered myself pretty fit. All right. Let's see. I'm headed to the ER. Kidding. No, actually, it's 2 o'clock, and I promised Yvonne I'd play tennis at 3. Yeah, well, that's upper body, so I should be fine.